This game is an explorer game, but using merge cubes. So you just click on a planet to select it, for example Mars. But we're going to start with the sun first, which is actually a giant star. If you click the I, which stands for information, you can read the text. For example, the sun is so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside. It's 93 million miles away, and light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. So that's a pretty long time. So all you have to do is swipe the planet again, so that you get into the solar system again. So the next one we're going to select is Mercury, which is the smallest planet in the solar system and too close for life to thrive. It's a shame. Poor Mercury, it's the smallest planet. A day on Mercury is longer than its year. 1 day equals 178 Earth days, and 1 year equals 88 Earth days. So again, swipe it, and we'll select Venus, the second planet from the sun. Venus is considered our sister planet because it's about the same size and density as Earth. Wow. Earth is the 5th largest planet in our solar system. It is rich in nitrogen, and 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered in water, making it just perfect for life to thrive. Wow. That's actually a lot of water. Mars is the second smallest planet and has 2 moons. Wow. It is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system besides Earth. Mars is the most explored planet. Wow. Next is Jupiter, which is the first planet, well, thought to be the first planet formed in our solar system. Oh, it's very big. It's got 67 moons. That's a lot compared to Earth's mere 1 moon. So the next planet is Saturn, which is just to the right. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant with 7 groups of rings. It has at least 53 moons in its orbit. Wow, that's a lot. Uranus is a gas giant with 13 rings and 27 moons. It gets blue colour from the methane gas in its atmosphere. Wow. It's actually rotating on its side. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun, making it the most distant planet in the solar system. It's the smallest of the gas giants though, and has faint rings and 14 moons. Wow. Now swipe to get to the solar system, and last of all, we've got a tiny little Pluto, which was considered a true planet for 76 years before it was downgraded to a dwarf planet status in 2007. So yeah, this game is really fun, and it's like virtual reality using these cubes, and I hope you enjoyed.